Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, June the 22nd, 2022, and I've already solved three puzzles. The Sudoku with 3 stars, the 4 stars, the binary, and it's time now for the tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cypherblock. Yes, the publisher has changed the name, but it's the same. It's a tectonic. This one with 4 stars, and this will be number 4741. Well, my pencil is not. It's empty. 4741. By the way, I made a mistake here. Not 3740. It's 4740. Right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, let me see, 11 printed digits. Yes, 11 printed digits. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. We'll see. The hard ones has always 8, 9, 10 printed digits. 11 could be a hard one, could be an easy one. Well, I do not know. We will see. We'll see. Yeah. Okay. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here the single box. Only one single box, always a 1. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes here? I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes, the 1 and 2. More dual boxes here. No. Triple box then. I see here triple box contains the 1 and 2 and the 3. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And when you see a triple box, remember the inside box. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Here also a triple box. I cannot fill those numbers. I need more information. But the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. More triple boxes. Let me scan. No. Triple boxes. Quadruple boxes then. Let me see here. A quadruple box. Well, contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. More quadruple boxes. Let me check. No quadruple boxes. That means the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. All right. So this box, the other pencil, has the same number as that box. Okay. And this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Yeah, let me draw the L shape here. All right, let me draw the L shape. We have here the L shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Sorry, that box has the same number as this box. Here also an L shape. This box has the same number as that box. The same boxes, okay? The same boxes. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more L shapes? Let me check. No L shapes. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Let me draw this shape here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's the 1 or a 2, but we have a 2 here. So this cannot be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. One box left in this dual box for number 2. All right. More of this kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. All right, 2. Yeah, there. All right. Here another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. All right. Then the following shape. How about this shape? The last shape of this puzzle, I believe. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. All right. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize for this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are more. I believe there are 6. The sixth shape is a Z or a S construction or shape or figure. But in this puzzle we have only 5, not 6 but 5 that you need to recognize, and the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Well, this box can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 5 and the 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 here. We have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this L shape. Well, this L shape I left because this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this L shape area for numbers 1 and the 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 here. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Okay, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can it be 2? Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. 3 and 4. These 3 boxes surrounded 2. Can it be a 2? Those 2 boxes can it be a 2? So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Can it be a 2? 1 box left for the 2 should be there because this box is occupied with 4 or a 5. So the 2 should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 2 in this triple box. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 2, but also that box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this triple box for the numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. This box is connected with that box, so be so 1 or a 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. Let me think. Yeah. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. If I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1 here. But we already have a 1 here. So it's not the solution. Place the 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be here. Okay. So 1, 2. Can we 2, Okay, let me think. These two boxes can be 2. Those two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. If now we have a double 2 there. If I place the 2 here, I've marked those two boxes with the 2. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. Okay. Then. Well, these two boxes can be 1. These two boxes can be 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and the 2. This box is connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4, 1 and the 4. These two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those 3 and a 4. Okay. Let me see. Well, these two boxes can be a 2. So why? I cannot place the 2 here. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution, place the 2 there. So the only place left for the 2, I've marked those two boxes with the 2, should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 1. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that that box can be a 1 in this triple box. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. And that box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Then, let me see. 2, the 1. Yeah, the 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1. Oh, of course, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. In this area, one of the missing number is a 1. Well, here can be a 1, there can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. That means that that box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 4 there. The 4 supposed to be here. Okay, these two boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 4 it goes there. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and a 5. But we already have a 5 here in this area. So it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Connected with that box should be also a 4. Connected with this box should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5. It goes there. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Let me mark those. 1 and 4. Okay. These two boxes can be 2. Those two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Let me see. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 3. These, wait. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. I think this box should be 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3, 2 and 3. These 2 boxes can be a 3, but also that box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. And I've marked this box with 4 or a 5, but now we have a 4 here. So this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 and a 1, we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Finished in 16 minutes. All right, great. Tectonic, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. So is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We will meet tomorrow. Until then, bye bye for now.